Alright, so this video is going to be for those Z3 owners that are having problems with their speedometer. More than likely, this could be the cause of the sensor that plugs into the diff. It's called the pulse generator sensor. Just sounds like a Star Trek or Star Wars. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean, what I'm experiencing with the no speedometer, and walk you guys through the repair. Super hot out here in Connecticut. Love the manual top. Oh, jeez. Let's go on a little drive just to show you guys how weird this is, driving with no speedometer. Let's get to working. Luckily for this sensor, we don't have to jack the car up because it is already easily accessible right here, the back of your diff. To replace the sensor, you're going to need a 10mm socket. It's held on by 2 bolts, so let's get under the car here. You're gonna want to undo these bolts. You want to undo this. Wow, you see that? It's a pretty nice problem right there. So let's go to this new sensor. Pulse generator, nice. Supposedly this was OEM. Shout out to Jewel for sending me the gift card to buy this. Without them, I wouldn't be able to get a bunch of my car parts. And let's just compare. And it is the exact same sensor, so cool. Don't forget to plug that back in. The sensor is sitting in there nice, and it did start working again, so mission accomplished. So that was a quick and easy fix for a not working speedometer on a Z3. That's a really easy fix. If any of these videos are helpful, throw a like, throw a comment. I'm always trying to respond to everyone that comments on the videos or whatever. That's one love. Check out the new E46 tire setup. And I think y'all ain't on the track, but 100 bands for a kilo, nigga. Shout out to me, really for me. Say she think you know me.